Hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to my garden. Today I'm going to harvest some pumpkins. I got some seeds from a friend of mine in the UK, and I am in Illinois, USA, and we're in September, so I'm just going to show you where I grew my pumpkins. So let's get started. Before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you like my video. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you very much. So let's get started. I planted 6 seeds, so it's from here. As you can see, um, I do have over there, that's a kush squash. It's not a pumpkin. And I also have to, so from right here all the way to down there, that's where I grew the pumpkins. So I literally planted, I think, was it 6 to 10 seeds somewhere around here. So as you can see, this is some of the stems. That's where I grew. They're coming from the ground, and it was just around this patch. So let's see if we can find pumpkins. All right, I can see one right here. It's nice and big. Let's see. It looks like it's ready for harvesting. There's another one right there, so that's pumpkin number 2. And then I've got a little one there. I don't think this will make it. And then we've got another big one there, pumpkin number 3. And over there, small little one, I think that one is shriveling. That's number 4. Oh no, that's number 5. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of those 5, I think I got 3 good ones. Let's see, do I have anything down here? No. So we continue going down here. There's nothing here, so you can see, it's all dying. Look at that. That's all dying. So looks like it's time for me to harvest. This area is still showing a little bit green. So I don't know what's happening. Oh, we got another small little pumpkin right there. I don't think this it's very small, and another small little one over there. Look at that. This one is coming up. Let's see if we've got any big ones. So right there, and that's a nice big one over here. So I think they are ready for harvesting because it's already starting to die. The plants are, see, that's all dying, and some of them are coming yellow. And do I have any pumpkins? All right. Oh, there's another one right here. Yeah. So how do I know it's ready to harvest? Looks like it's very tough. It's not very soft to touch. So around this area, I think I've got 1 big one, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 pumpkins, and out of those 4 pumpkins, I think 2 are ready to harvest. So this whole patch from here right up to there, 4 pumpkins. I think I got 2 ready to harvest. So let's move on. Do I have anything? Yeah, I got a lot of weeds right here. So I got this is a knife I'm gonna try and use to cut the stem. I don't have anything else that I can think of, but I'll try and use this knife. I've had this knife for a long time. We bought this knife when we were still in England, and it's one of my favorite knives. So let's have a look. We have another pumpkin here. So we're just talking about this patch now. So from here to there. So you have another pumpkin. That's a pumpkin. I think it's probably ready to harvest. And another small, sort of like medium-sized one over there. Another one right here. And then one over here. So got 1, 2, and 3. So let's start harvesting. So I don't know, where do we start from? Okay, let's start from here. Let me just start by cutting this stem. Okay. Oh gosh. So there's pumpkin number 1. It's very heavy. So let me put it right here for the time being. As you can see, looks. So let's go and harvest another one. That's pumpkin number 1. Okay. We have to struggle to get in there and see if this is ready. This is pumpkin number 2. Yeah, looks ready. So let me cut this right here. Okay. Pumpkin number 2. Uh-oh. All right. It's got all these little things over here. I don't know if this is good or not, but that's number 2. Do I have any of these things on there? Oh, the skin is tough, so yeah, that's tough. That's number 2. Let's go and look for another one. See if I can get my knife. All right, it's my knife right there. Keep my knife. So let's go to pumpkin number 3. It's right here. Okay, I cut it. Oh, the knife cuts very well, nicely. Okay. Whoa. That's pumpkin number 3. I hope they're okay inside. Pumpkin number 3. Alright. Do I have anything right here? Alright. This one right there, look. Let's cut this. Pumpkin number 4. Oh gosh. This one is a little bit slippery. You can't hold it. Whoa. That's number 4. Look. Oh, righty ho. And that's the stem. It's got a little hole inside there. It's a little hollow. So that's number 4. 4 pumpkins. Okay, let's go and look for some more. I'm already sweating. Do I have anything over here? No. Over there? No. Nothing down there. So let's go to pumpkin number 5. Man, this one is big. So let's cut this over here. Okay. Number 5. Whoa. Oh gosh, it's heavy. Oh, this one is heavy. That's number 5. All right. So I got 5 pumpkins. All right, let's continue. That one is still small. I think I'll leave this until the end of the season. Let's go and see. Do I have any more pumpkins? All right. So there's this one here. All right, let's have a look. Whoa. Oh, it's heavy. That's number 6, pumpkin number 6. Okay. All right, there's another one here. Let's call this our number 7. This is pumpkin number 7. Oh. Oh. Number 7. Oh, it's a workout. Okay, this is it's rather a small one, so I'll call that number 8 small. Let's cut this right there. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pumpkins. That's not too bad. First time to grow pumpkins. Let's see if I don't have anything here anymore. No more pumpkins. Just all these small little ones. I don't think this will grow bigger anymore. Let's keep going. There's nothing right here, just weeds. Maybe next week I'll cut all this down. So there you have it, folks. I have pumpkins. 8 pumpkins. So thank you for watching, and please make sure you like my video, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye. See you next time.